baby. Hang on. Well, way to go, guys.
It's a soggy Sunday here at New Hampshire Motor Speedway. The rain started fairly early this morning and is persistent here into the early afternoon in Loudon, New Hampshire.
Stay focused, stay strong, stay hungry.
Be ready for anything they throw at it, weather and whatnot, and be the best they can.
Sounds like you like we do all the time. Good luck in there.
All right, coming to the green. Get you a good start here, man.
A 13 of Ty Dillon's coming down pit road.
Yeah, you're going to have to climb into the right side. There's something underneath my feet.
After a 3.5-hour rain delay, it's time to go racing here at the Magic Mile at New Hampshire Motor Speedway.
The water out from underneath the walls on the straightaway, getting into the corners, not very nice.
Trouble in turn 2. We've got a car that's gone around in turn 2. That's the machine of A.J. Allmendinger.
You okay in there? Yeah. Blue left rear. Yeah, 10-4. You had a big puff of smoke right before you spun. Done. Can't start.
Kyle Busch getting into the side of Blaney.
Thank the 18 for that. You got us in the left rear. It was caved in.
Stage number 1 here at New Hampshire Motor Speedway. That win goes to Martin Truex Jr.
All right, for the 6th time this year, he stays winner. TJ.
Should probably got up front of the 9 there, but already pulled up front of the once today. Didn't want to be twice.
These two ahead of the leader are having a battle. Next time he parks it off 2 to hold his line, I'm dumping his ass. 9's going to try to bottom into 1.
Here goes Chase Elliott. He's trying to make it 4 wide, going down into turn 1.
Way down low. It didn't stick. You're all clear. All clear. Bunch of dummies.
Martin Truex Jr. He puts his wheels on the apron, slides up the racetrack, and Chase Elliott takes over the race lead.
You're clear to 78. All yours. Go after for all that.
Clear ahead from the green checker. Stage winner. Abreast of what you got going on. If it gets worse in any way, it puts you in jeopardy, I reckon.
I'm sorry. You no more said that. It broke.
11. Obviously, last car in the lead lap. Is that correct?
It's a side-by-side fight between teammates off 2.
And Hamlin is the roadblock in between both of them.
Almirola will make the pass off of turn number 4.
Bucks for now, but we'll be all right.
Plus 2 spots for Kyle Busch. He wins the race off pit road.
Now I got us in 3 and 4. Do what you got to do to win.
Oh! Puts him out of the groove there. Oh, man! I don't know about hard racing. He moved him. He moved him good there.
Robin's racing, bud. Go get him. Yeah, can't pass him right through him. I get it.
In a slugfest between 2 NASCAR heavyweights, Kevin Harvick lands the last punch over Kyle Busch. He will win at New Hampshire.
Yeah, boys. Great job.
Hell of a job, man. Great job, guys.